Let's see in this video how to change cPanel login password in GoDaddy account. To change the login password in cPanel, you need to first log into web hosting account. Next, you need to enter GoDaddy products page. And here, you need to click the Manage button under Web Hosting section, which will take you to cPanel admin page. On the right-hand side, you will see cPanel login username and the password. To change the login password, click Password Change link. And again here, you can change and update cPanel login password. You can either generate a strong random password for your cPanel, or you can enter your own cPanel password, a password of your choice. Do not use most common passwords, like birthday, numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Use unpredictable passwords. Always write down passwords, and store safely. And done, the cPanel password has been changed in GoDaddy account. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon, to get updates when we add new content.